Dear students, let's continue our chapter number 8, application of integrals, by the question number 8 from your miscellaneous exercise. Question number 8 states that find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse. Ellipse is given as x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1, and the line x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So these are the equation of the given functions. Number 1 is the curve, which is your ellipse. Number 2 is your straight line, which is non-vertical line. So now first of all we have to identify about the ellipse. This is the horizontal ellipse whose vertices are plus minus 3 comma 0, and this is can be drawn like this. This is the ellipse, horizontal ellipse, and this point is 3 comma 0. This point is minus 3 comma 0. This is your 0 comma 2, and this is 0 comma minus 2. So this is the sketch of the given ellipse with vertices plus minus 3 comma 0, and this is the straight line. Let me simplify in the form of by taking LCM, as 6 is LCM. So this is 2x plus 3y is equal to 1, or 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is the equation of line, number 2 equation. This is number 1 equation. Now dear friends, जैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कर्व कौन सा है और उसके वर्टेक्स और सेंटर क्या है, उसके बाद हमें लोगों को पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकालने होते हैं, वेयर दिस एलिप्स एंड दिस लाइन विल इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर, वी नीड टू फाइंड. और उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में से y की x की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं, एंड दिस कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय the value of y is given by 3y is equal to 6 minus 2x, and the y will be given by 6 minus 2x by 3, and put this value in the equation number 1. You will get x square by 9 plus 6 minus 2x upon 3 whole square upon 4 is equal to 1. Further it can be solved as x square by 9 plus 36 plus 4x square minus 24x upon 9 into 4, this is 36, is equal to 1. Taking LCM as 36, this is your 4x square plus 36 plus 4x square minus 24x is equal to 1, or simply this is 8x square minus 24x plus 36 is equal to 36, cancel out, so 8 is common with x, so this is your x minus 3 is equal to 0, implies x will be 0 or x will be equal to 3. So whenever x is equal to 0, then what will happen? Whenever x is equal to 0, implies the value of y will be your 2. You can put here in equation number 3. So whenever x is 0, so 2 into 0 0, 6 minus 0 upon 3 2, and whenever x is equal to 3 is there, then the value of y is your 0, क्योंकि 2 into 3 6, 6 minus 6 0, 0 upon 3 will be 0. So points of intersection are 0 2 and 3 0. These are the points where this ellipse and the line will intersect each other. So let me draw the line also with the point of intersection. This is the first point of intersection, this is your second point of intersection, joining the line. This is the given line, this one, and the shaded region is your bounded region, this one. Dear students, you can see the lower limit is 0, the shaded or the bounded region starts with 0 and end with the point 3, और दोनों की initial or terminal or the lower and upper limit are same for both the curve as well as the line, and but एक कर्व आपका ऊपर है और दूसरा कर्व आपका नीचे है. So you can find the net area by subtracting the lower curve from your upper curve by taking the limit from 0 to 3, and this will be the required area. So let me complete this question by taking the limit from 0 to 3. This can be taken as from area can be obtained by from 0 to 3 y of upper curve कौन है, this is your ellipse, y of ellipse minus y of line. Now we need to just write down the value of y from ellipse and value of y from the line. This is given by 0 to 3. वैल्यू ऑफ y निकालने के लिए क्या करते हैं, लेट मी सॉल्व, यहाँ सॉल्व कर देते हैं. वाई स्क्वेयर बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर बाई 9. सो वाई स्क्वेयर बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर अपॉन 9 एंड वाई स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 4 बाई 9 ऑफ 9 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर. The value of y will be of 2 by 3 square root of 9 minus x square. So this is the value of y from the equation of the ellipse. This is to be put here. So this is given by 2 by 3 9 minus x square under the root minus y of line में से y की वैल्यू निकालेंगे and this is given by y by 2 is equal to 1 minus x by 3 or y by 2 is equal to 3 minus x upon 3 or simply y is equal to 2 by 3 minus x. This is your the value of y from the equation of line. So this is 2 by 3 and 3 minus x. So we need to just do the integration of the given now values of ellipse as well as the line. Before doing the integration, you can take 2 by 3 as common. You can see 2 by 3 is common for both the equations of the function 0 to 3. This is 3 square minus x square under the root minus 3 plus x. Let me open the braces. Now we have to just do the integration separately for this function and this function. Its integration is given by the formula integration of square root of a square minus x square, and which is given by 2 by 3 will remain outside. This is x a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2, which is 9 by 2 sine inverse x by a, which is your x upon 3 minus 3x plus x square by 2, and the limit are 0 to 3. Now we have to use upper limit then lower limit. Upper limit 2 by 3. This is whenever you will use 3 here, so this is 3 and 9 minus 9, which will be 0. This is 0 plus 9 by 2, this is sine inverse 3 by 3 is 1 minus 9 plus 9 by 2, and minus lower limit is to be used. Lower limit में x value 0 put करेंगे because 0 is outside there, so complete value will be 0 and this is 0 and plus again minus sign is to be used, minus 9 by 2 sine inverse 0 upon 3, sine inverse 0 upon 3, sine inverse 0 is again 0, so this is 0, this is 0 and this is 0, so the value is remaining only 2 by 3. This is your 9 by 2 into pi by 2, because the value of sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, minus 9 plus 9 by 2 will be your minus 9 by 2. As this is your, by taking LCM as 2 LCM लेंगे कितना होगा, this is a minus 18 plus 9, which is minus 9 by 2, and you can take 9 by 2 as common from here, so the 2 by 3 multiply by 9 by 2 is common here, so this is pi by 2 minus 1 and 3 to the 3 is 9, 2 to cancel, so 3 times of pi by 2 minus 1 square unit will be your the given answer. Or you can take LCM as well. अगर आपको थोड़ा और further solve करना है तो this is will be your pi minus 2 upon 2. So 3 by 2 of pi minus 2 will be the answer. So this was the question number your 8.